Today, we are back at Silver Spring State Park. It's one of our favorite state parks here in Florida. It's in the Ocala area. We usually see some form of wildlife when we're here, whether that's a manatee, a gator, a snake, a monkey, rabbit, turtles, whatever. We see some form of it. And a fun fact, our second video ever posted was of Silver Springs. It was not a very good video, so I would not recommend going back and watching that. Or do, whatever. We have done the glass bottom boat tour here before, and we just like coming out and walking around. We haven't been here in quite a while, actually. Yeah. So we thought, let's just come back and see what all has changed, if anything. I know they've never, since we've been here, have had the gift shop open, so maybe it'll be open today.
We'll see.
Let's go check it out. Now the entrance is located off of Silver Springs Boulevard, and it should be right here. There's a big sign out in front. It says Silver Springs State Park right here. Oh yeah, here you go. Silver Springs entrance. That's how you get here. It does say the park closes at 8:30 today. If you have a large vehicle, go that way. If you have just a normal vehicle, go this way. And it looks like a very busy day. Wow. One of these days we will be brave enough to do a kayak video. Today would be the perfect day for kayaks. One good thing about state parks, they're not very expensive. The food is. We came on our last video and got some food here. It was expensive. And then we came one year and it was cold. We had to wear like hoodies and stuff, but today, definitely not cold. One year we came with Timber's mom and we didn't film, but we saw monkeys running across the walking trails. It was pretty cool. As you walk up here, this area in front of us is where you'll actually pay. I love all the trees, a lot of shade too. The fountain's not running today. I don't guess there's any, oh, there's some water in it. I think the entrance fee is like $3 a person. And then if you want to do the boat tour, the glass bottom boat tour, which would highly recommend, it's $2 per person. Okay, park admission fees, $2 per person. Restrooms are that way. But if you want to do the boat tour, it's going to be a little bit more. Here are some more of those fees, the glass bottom boat tour fees. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you.
So the month of July is Freedom Tax Holiday. It's actually $1 off admission, so it was only $4 for 4 of us to get in. So that's worth it to come out in July for sure. This way's the boardwalk, which we'll do later. They said the restaurant's finally open, and also the gift shop, which are two places we have not ever been in, because when we came during COVID, they were closed. They did a remodel, they were closed. Now they're finally open. When we came last time, they had a little like food truck set up out here. It was pretty expensive. What all do we have here? So we've got, this is water and treat station for your dogs. Welcome center, okay, cool. For sure gotta go in the gift shop. They've got the Discovery Center, the Springside Cafe. Oh wow, they've really done a bunch since we've been here last time. I might try to find a sticker here, but they do have some shirts, some hats, stuffed animals. Yeah, this is a nice little gift shop for sure. Got some cold drinks and some ice creams, mugs, books. Oh, I see some stickers. Look at these stickers. I like that one. That one's pretty cool. I did see a glass bottom one over here. Is that a sticker or magnet? Yep, that's a sticker. So they got a glass bottom one. These are pretty cool. We did end up finding this one of the glass bottom boats. That's pretty cool. Here's the Welcome Center. Do they have stamps? Now they do have another entrance to the park, and that's where the ranger station is at. And we just ask, and that's where you can get a like passport stamp from the ranger station. We have the Discovery Center. Let's see what's in the Discovery Center. Just got some little exhibits in here with fish and other things. They also had Captain Oscar in there, who was a boat captain in 1969 you could get your picture with. Pretty cool. Up here, Springside Cafe, restrooms, snack shop. They have so many things here. We'll take a look at what they've got, if they've got, oh, they've got a menu right here. Might be kind of hard to read with the reflection, but they do have a pretty extensive menu. Falafel balls, pita with hummus, french fries, spicy cheese fries, grilled cheese. It's awesome that they've got this open. Nice little area here. And then across the road here, that's where you would line up for the glass bottom boat tours. This is really awesome. It's changed so much since we've been here. There's a little pretzel snack cart. Let's see if the snack shop is open. Do they have anything in the snack shop? I don't know. So these are not open yet. They're still doing construction on them. Hours are 10:30 to 6:30 on the Springside Cafe. We're gonna get something from in here. They do say the french fries are lightly seasoned and crispy. Our food is ready. We did get the pretzel bites and also the falafel bites. That was actually really good. Nice little spot to just grab a snack before you go out here on the trails. They do have a ballroom. Looks like it's kind of maybe still getting a renovation. We're gonna head in the back and just do a lap to see if we can see some wildlife. Then we'll swing back towards the front and do the boardwalk and then call it a day. A little bit of information.
There she is. Good. How about it, okay?
You can see some fish down here. If you can see it or not, but right there. Banana trees. Paradise Park. There's kind of the journey you take when you are on a kayak. We for sure have to do that. We've been saying it for years, so if you ever done kayaks out here, let us know how it is. I know Timber's mom and family did them one time they came down here. Said they really loved it. Kayakers, glass bottom boat, fish. Statue, Osceola. We're gonna head back here this way, back to some of these trails, and then swing around. It is a busy day. This palm tree got some issues here. We have the reflections garden here. Bananas.
See them?
Look at this tree. I think that group over there saw an alligator, I think. Also, monkeys are sometimes in those trees on that side. They got the little like event center back here in the back. I think there's been concerts out here. I think people have done maybe weddings. Don't quote me on that. We're gonna head this way. Feeding monkeys and wildlife are prohibited. It's against the law, so just don't do it. In the state of Florida. Yep, that's accurate. We did see a pretty good sized gator through here one time.
See over here was used in a TV show they used to film here for a little bit. In the late 50s to early 60s called Sea Hunt with the acronym Roy Bridges.
So it talks about TV series Sea Hunt. And this side's closed, but you could get your photo when it's open over here in this little like Sea Hunt photo op. Now for one of these trails, you kind of have to go off-road. You see this pavilion, you'll go back that way. It's the Creek Trail.
Never seen a creek back here.
Well, when it rained that one time, it was flooded.
Well, yeah.
I don't know if we'll see any wildlife. I doubt we do the whole trail. We'll just kind of peek our heads in there. Because the one year we saw them, they were jumping from these trees right here. Very active.
Maybe too hot for them.
Might be. Here's that trail. It's pretty cool through here. I think we'll probably get ready to turn around. There's, I think, like a fork up here that you can take. And
So stay to the right, it loops you back around.
yeah. I think this is the fork. So if you go this way, it'll circle all the way back around. I'm not seeing any monkeys over here, so let's head toward the boardwalk. Back at the pavilion, over here are some restrooms. So they do have ample amount.
Vending machines over there too.
You're right, yes. They do. So they have ample amount of food, water, drinks, and restrooms. For those kids who want to run around, they do have this nice little kid-friendly area with a frog slide. That's fun. Event center. They do have an old glass bottom boat that used to be like a concession stand or something. You can peek in it. And all kind of paths lead back to the front because we went in that way over there. This just circles back around to like the glass bottom boats and all the new stores and cafe. That brings us right where we started. You see the glass bottom boats are right over there. Not sure what that way is, but like I said, we're gonna head to, oh, it takes you right over there to the event place. We're gonna head to boardwalk. Not sure what that is over there. Looks blocked. Back up front. We have seen some snakes over on this side, but the boardwalk's right kind of by the entrance here. Here we have the Ross Allen Island Boardwalk.
That's the kayak launch.
Yeah, there's the kayak launch, I think, down the blue trail. This is a nice feature of this park. We did see monkeys in this tree one time. We also saw one just sitting up on the railing. All the kayaks. It's nice and peaceful. More of the boardwalk. Did see a monkey right there one time. Must be too hot for him today. Man, no gators or anything today. Monkeys? Yeah, what was that? I love this area and the blueness of the water. They're taking a picture of something over there. Yeah, I think there's a turtle over there. This is also the Fort King Pavilion. Yeah, it does look very refreshing. How blue that is. All this does is circle back around. We've never seen anybody actively doing anything over at this little...
Yeah, we saw someone setting up for a wedding.
Oh, did we? I don't remember that. But I'm sure like if you take field trips and stuff, it's the Ross Allen Island Amphitheater. I'm sure they got some like people talking. Yeah, that'd be a great background for a wedding. Beautiful trees. And this boardwalk just makes a big loop. We're almost back where we started on the boardwalk. Looks like we're not going to see any monkeys today. I think it's just too hot. But right there's where we started. Now I do believe, I don't know if it's the first one or the second video we've done. I think we've done 2 or 3 videos out here, but on one of them, oh, look at the butterfly. I was able to capture, oh, look at it. I was able to capture the monkeys.
Well, on film.
On film. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I didn't physically grab the monkeys. Don't do that. It's illegal. But I also tried to play some like epic music while they were jumping. Don't laugh at that. Really do love the water out here. One thing we're blessed in Florida with are the state parks.
There's the clear ones.
Oh yeah, there's some clear kayaks. That'd be fun. Gonna have to do that. I think we're gonna head back out now. We're right here by the entrance. Sun is poking out through the clouds now. It's heating up, but good, decent overview of Silver Springs. Really love it out here. They do have this little outdoor kind of pop-up kiosk that you can buy some stuff at. Then as you leave, it says, "Thank you for visiting." That was our trip out to Silver Spring State Park here in the Ocala area. One of our favorites. Even though we didn't see anything, during July, $4 to get in, like total for 4 people, $1 to get in, $4 for all of us to walk around, get some exercise, get to see some stuff. I love the water. I'm glad they've got the gift shop open, the cafe open. Cafe was good.
Yeah, they had a lot of choices.
And also I got a sticker, so that's good. And next time we got to try to put kayaking on the list to do.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have to do it.
Right.
Because like today we didn't see any gators. I'm not saying they're not out there, but at least didn't see any. So it seemed like it was so busy that they're probably staying away from the water at the moment.
Maybe it was very busy there.
And if you do one of those tours and you're with tour guide ones, you're with someone or whatever, or we just go solo and just see what happens. Regardless, got to add it to the list. But it is hot, so if you are out at the springs, just try to make sure you bring plenty of water, sunscreen, stay cool. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.